Good afternoon, everyone. Has been said that technology is the future of technologies, and currently, deep technologies are disrupting the way we live and disrupting businesses and industries, the same as where digital solutions disrupted the world a while back. Today, in our discussion, we have our honored guests to discuss the deep tech ecosystem and see how are we advancing in the deep tech area. Hello.
Hello.
I'd like to ask my first question just to give my colleagues and the people here with us a glimpse about deep technologies and the advancements that we're having in it. So Hudayfa, if you can just brief us, having the background in the deep tech area and being a startup, a leading startup within that area in Saudi Arabia, can you give us and highlight some of the trends that are up within Saudi or globally?
Yeah. First thing first, I really appreciate the time the audience put in attending the session, and thank you, Anud, for having all of us here. So when it comes to deep tech global trends, I think investing in deep tech, in clean tech, quantum computing is still gaining more traction. Besides the more attention we are seeing in investing in robotics, drone technology, due to some of the unfortunate facts like the political unrest worldwide and the open conflicts. We will see more investments coming to the drone technology, unmanned drones, FPV drones, and some of their military applications. Also, on the other hand, one of the most prominent deep tech areas is basically investing in AI. And with the rise of large language models and generative AI, the world started to see more applications to harvest the benefits of generative AI in different aspects of the economy and applications.